Hello everyone, and welcome. The world of cryptocurrency trading is fast-paced, volatile, and often unpredictable. It's a digital Wild West where fortunes can be made or lost in moments. But what if there was a way to navigate this complex landscape with more precision and less emotion? Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of AI-powered crypto trading. We'll explore how artificial intelligence is being used to make smarter investment decisions, analyze market trends, and potentially give traders an edge in the crypto world. Get ready to discover how AI is changing the game. 1. The challenge of crypto trading: speed and volatility. First, let's understand why traditional crypto trading is so difficult for humans. Extreme volatility: crypto markets are known for dramatic price swings. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins can surge or plummet by double-digit percentages in a single day. This creates high risk but also high potential reward. 24/7 market: unlike traditional stock markets, crypto never sleeps. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making it impossible for a human to constantly monitor. Information overload: traders face an avalanche of data, price charts, news articles, social media sentiment, technical indicators, and more. Processing all this manually is overwhelming. Emotional biases: fear of missing out, FOMO, and panic selling are common human emotions that often lead to poor trading decisions. These factors make crypto trading a high-stress environment where quick, rational decisions are paramount. This is where AI steps in. 2. How AI steps in, beyond human limits. AI brings capabilities to crypto trading that no human can match. Lightning-fast analysis: AI algorithms can process vast amounts of market data, price movements, trading volumes, order book depth, in milliseconds. They spot patterns and trends invisible to the human eye, far faster than any human. Sentiment analysis: AI can analyze news articles, social media feeds, like X, formerly Twitter, or Reddit, and online forums to gauge public sentiment around a particular cryptocurrency. If the general sentiment turns positive or negative, AI can detect this early and react. Predictive modeling: using historical data, AI can build sophisticated models to predict future price movements with a certain probability. It learns from past successes and failures, constantly refining its predictions. Automated execution: once a trading opportunity is identified based on its analysis, AI can execute trades automatically, without human intervention. This eliminates emotional biases and ensures trades happen at optimal times. AI acts as a tireless, emotionless, super-fast analyst and executor, a game-changer for speed and objectivity. 3. Types of AI in crypto trading, from bots to sophisticated algorithms. There isn't just one AI in crypto trading. There are various approaches. Trading bots: these are automated programs that follow predefined rules, e.g., buy when Bitcoin hits X price, sell when it hits Y. While effective for simple strategies, they lack true intelligence. Machine learning algorithms: more advanced systems use machine learning. They are trained on historical market data to identify complex patterns and make more nuanced decisions than simple bots. They can adapt as they learn from new data. Deep learning, neural networks: the most sophisticated AI applications in crypto often use deep learning, a subset of machine learning. These neural networks can analyze incredibly complex, high-dimensional data, like images of charts or raw text from news feeds, to find subtle correlations that traditional methods would miss. Natural language processing, NLP. This AI capability allows systems to read and understand human language, making sentiment analysis possible. These different AI techniques are combined to create powerful trading tools. 4. The benefits: why traders are turning to AI. What makes AI so appealing for crypto traders? Eliminating emotional trading: AI doesn't feel fear or greed. It sticks to its programmed logic, preventing impulsive decisions that often lead to losses. 24/7 operation: AI systems can monitor markets and execute trades around the clock, capitalizing on opportunities even when humans are sleeping. Backtesting and optimization: AI allows for rapid backtesting of strategies against historical data, identifying what works and what doesn't, and then optimizing those strategies for future performance. Diversification and risk management: AI can manage complex portfolios, diversify across multiple assets, and implement sophisticated risk management strategies much more effectively than a human. For many, AI represents a path to more consistent and potentially profitable trading. 5. The challenges and risks. It's not a magic bullet. Despite the benefits, AI-powered crypto trading is not without its significant challenges and risks. Data quality and bias. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Biased or incomplete data can lead to flawed predictions. Black swan events. AI struggles with black swan events, unpredictable, rare occurrences that deviate significantly from historical patterns, e.g., a sudden regulatory ban or a major hack. Overfitting. An AI model might overfit to historical data, meaning it performs well on past data but fails in real-time market conditions that are slightly different. Security risks. AI trading systems are complex and can be vulnerable to cyber attacks or programming errors, potentially leading to significant financial losses. Regulatory uncertainty. The crypto market is still evolving, and regulations regarding AI trading are still being developed, posing compliance challenges. Cost and complexity. Developing or acquiring sophisticated AI trading systems can be very expensive and requires specialized technical knowledge. AI is a powerful tool, but it requires careful management and understanding of its limitations. It's not a guaranteed path to riches. Conclusion. AI-powered crypto trading is rapidly evolving, offering unprecedented capabilities for analyzing vast amounts of data, eliminating human emotions, and executing trades at lightning speed. While it presents exciting opportunities for more efficient and potentially profitable trading, it's not a magic solution. Understanding its strengths, its limitations, and the inherent risks of the crypto market is crucial. AI is certainly changing the landscape of crypto trading, making it smarter, but the digital Wild West still requires vigilance and a healthy dose of caution. Outro. What are your thoughts on AI in crypto trading? Do you think it will lead to a more stable or an even more volatile market? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with anyone curious about AI or crypto, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the future of technology and finance. Thanks for watching.